How to disable iOS 18 Video Looping in Photos app. Let's get started. If you've noticed that videos in the Photos app on your iPhone running iOS 18 are automatically looping, you're not alone. Apple has introduced a feature that causes videos to loop by default, especially for live photos. Unfortunately, iOS 18 doesn't provide a global setting to completely disable video looping across all videos, but there are a couple of methods to stop it for specific cases. To start, if your video is a live photo, it might be looping automatically. To stop this, open the Photos app and select the video you want to play. When the video is playing, tap the screen to bring up the controls. If it's a live photo, tap on the live photo icon at the top of the screen. From the menu, you'll see options like loop, bounce, and long exposure. Simply select none to disable the looping effect. For other videos that are looping but aren't live photos, there's no direct setting to disable the loop entirely. The best workaround is to manually pause the video before it starts looping again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.